Welcome to the call, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to Instant Recall, an innovative phone technology that is impacting lives all around the world. You're absolutely in the right place. This is an app that gives you and I the ability to generate income on a weekly basis over and over again. It's really as simple as doing the math. Toward the end, we're going to show you 3 simple steps on how you can make this reality for you and your family. With that said, let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'd like to start with the question. What if you could pay your car note, your rent, your mortgage for less than the price of a Happy Meal doing what you are already doing right now? Okay, I need to tell you this. That's what I just said is not a slogan. It is absolutely real and it is true. You're about to see that over the next few minutes. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first of all, this amazing app gives you and I the ability to partner with 2 of the largest corporations in the world. We're talking about Google and Apple, ladies and gentlemen, because this app would not even exist without their permission. And so when you download this app, you subscribe, you pay just $3.99 a month, and all of that money goes to Apple and Google, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk about some commissions and some earnings that you get here. You need to understand that doesn't come from the $3.99 you're paying, because this is not a pyramid. It's going to come from the sale of location data. I'm going to break it down for you. Let's go a little further. So now we're talking about the business of anonymous location data. I came across a book, We Are Data, Algorithms, and the Making of Our Digital Selves. Did you know that what you do and where you go throughout the day, that's of value to people? In fact, your anonymous location data is an asset that adds value to companies all around the world. All right, let's go a little further. This is what I want you to understand. The movements of people is like oil and gold to corporations. Today, in the internet-focused world that we live, data is widely considered to be amongst the world's most valuable resource because of how much potential revenue and business value it can provide. Moreover, it's available for sale and for purchase. This is what you have to understand. You've got apps on your phone right now that's selling your anonymous location data, and they are making billions, but you and I are not making a penny. But that's going to change as a result of this program I'm going to share with you right now. So you have to understand, personal data is worth billions. In fact, Wall Street is the #1 buyer of data used to predict trends and to direct investments. But Instant Recall empowers you and I to benefit monthly from the sale of our anonymous location data. This is what I want you to understand. So now I've got a short video. It's just a little more than 2 minutes. I want you to watch this. It's going to break everything down, and then we're going to summarize things and answer a few questions and give you a few more details. Let's watch this short video.
Look at these bills. I can't believe how much everything costs. We're using our credit cards to pay for groceries now.
I don't know how we're gonna make it. The last thing I want is a second job.
Yeah, I just filled up the car. Gas prices are crazy. It's that crazy Ralph. Hey guys, you won't believe what I found. I'm making over $5,600 a month working just 10 minutes a day.
That's impossible, Ralph. It sounds like a scam.
No, it's real. I'm even making money while I watch TV. But what do you have to do? I downloaded this app called Instant Recall. It lets everyone save and share memories like photos, videos, location reminders with unlimited storage. They already have thousands of users. So how do we make money with it? Just click on the download link, install, and go to share with friends on the setting page. The more people that download it, the more you get paid. Watch, I can do one in less than a minute.
You mean that's it?
Yep, that's it. It has a free $10,000 marketing system built in for us to use. No training needed, even my mom can do it, and she has trouble sending emails.
Wait a minute, what's it cost? $50? $30?
No, it's just $3.99 a month. That's all, just tap on the purchase, $3.99. Don't forget, this $3.99 activates everything. And you get paid weekly from Wise.com. Wise sends money to 160 countries. You can watch your money grow, just tap on the white box in the upper right on the map page. When you and all the people in your group have 10 referrals, you're earning $5,600 a month. You know everyone has hundreds of contacts on their phones. What if I get more than 10? You get paid more. No limit on your income, just read the How It Works section on the settings page. Don't forget to click on the $3.99 purchase to be part of the weekly payments.
Some companies rip you off by making hard to cancel.
No problem, just go to subscriptions on your phone and cancel. Remember, Google and Apple collect all of the money, so it's safe. So what are you waiting for? Tap on the download link now. Watch how fast you can get to $5,600 a month. All of the people you see in green have activated. Don't forget, read How It Works on the settings page. You start getting paid with the first referral.
Wow, our lives have really changed. Not worrying about money anymore. We really owe Ralph. Now we have enough to pay our bills with money left over.
Even better, we've been able to pay off our credit cards. I got a surprise for you and the kids. We're going on vacation this year.
So let me explain this in just a bit more detail, just to make sure that you understand, ladies and gentlemen. The first thing I want you to understand is this. In Instant Recall in this amazing app, it empowers individuals and organizations with the ability to monetize their anonymous location data. Now, I want you to understand how this is done. This is done by building a community of cell phone owners anywhere in the world. The larger the community that you assemble, ladies and gentlemen, the more revenue that you generate and the more income that you make. That's what I want you to understand. But let's talk about the app for a moment, because it has several features that add even more value. It's not just about the money. First of all, this is a memory app. In other words, it enables you to make note of places where you have been. If you are a hunter or a fisher and there's a specific place where you like to go, you can absolutely make note of that, and the system will remember that up to 30 inches should you decide to go back later. You can also make a note or pinpoint those areas in a map inside of the app with a video or with a picture. In addition to that, the app has a feature that reminds you to drink the proper amount of water on a daily basis, because 80% of all disease is caused by dehydration, ladies and gentlemen, people not taking and drinking enough water. So the app helps you to maintain that and to remember to drink the proper amount of water. In addition to that, if you're interested in being healthy, ladies and gentlemen, the app helps you improve your strength and your balance by offering you over 40 videos in the areas of weight management, exercise, Pilates, yoga stretches, and chair yoga. And if you were to go somewhere else to purchase this type of training and support, ladies and gentlemen, it could cost you $10 to $15 per month per topic. And so you've got 4 of those right here inside of the app. You absolutely want to use those. But on the top of all of that, ladies and gentlemen, you and I have got the ability to instantly start creating weekly residual income. All right, so let's break it down. How do you actually create that income? Well, the first thing you're going to do, of course, is get the link of the person who invited you here. You're going to download the app and you're going to subscribe. What does it cost? Only $3.99 a month, less than the cost of a Happy Meal. The next thing you're going to want to do is share the app with others. Now, here's the thing. We've got complete training 3 days a week. We're going to tell you about that later. If you spent just 30 minutes a day, ladies and gentlemen, following our simple strategy, you could do extremely well. In addition to that, once you have the app, you have access to those exercise videos and that hydration support. And this is a platform that can be used by organizations and groups who want to raise recurring revenue for their groups. We'll have some detailed training on that a little later as well. But let's go a little further. Let's take a look at the numbers. I heard somebody say a long time ago, life is about numbers. You've got to know your numbers. If you don't have the right numbers, you can't send your kids to college. You can't pay your bills. You can't pay your mortgage. I think you get the point. But let's just talk about a few things. How many people do you know with a cell phone that need extra money? All right, raise your hand if you know a few people. All right, that's like almost everybody, right? But they don't know that right now they're giving away their location data for free through many of the apps that are on their phone. By simply making a simple tweak, ladies and gentlemen, and sharing it with others, they can start to benefit from that and create some recurring income. Let me show you what I mean. You go out and you share this with just 10 people. All right. And like, as I mentioned, we're going to show you how to do it. You don't have to figure out anything. All you have to do is copy and paste. All right. So you refer it with 10 people, ladies and gentlemen. And guess what? You've made back what you're paying every single month. All you need is 4 referrals and you got that money back. So there's no risk involved here. So you got your $10 a month coming in because you referred 10 people. Now, we're going to say that you did that within 1 week, although you can do it in 1 day. We're going to say it took you as long as 1 week. And then those 10 people, they're going to do the same. And we're going to say it takes them 1 week to each refer just 10 people. So now, guess what? You have $110 a month coming in. What could you do with that money? Well, you could pay for lunch for 1 week, perhaps. You could buy groceries for the house. You could perhaps pay your cell phone bill and maybe even put a tank of gas, fill up your car with a tank of gas. So that's all positive because you don't have to take that money out of your pockets anymore. But let's go a little further. What happens when those 10 people go out and they refer 10, which they could do in 1 day, but we're going to say it takes them a whole week to do so. Now you're at $610 a month. That's enough money, ladies and gentlemen, potentially for you to pay a car payment. Wouldn't that be great to get that car note off your back? Now, what happens when we go into week 4? And those people refer just 10 individuals, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Now you're over 4 figures a week from this simple app that's on your phone, ladies and gentlemen, or $5,600 a month just that fast. Here's the thing. If it took you all year to get there, would it be worth it? If it took you 6 months to get there, would it be worth it? If it took 3 months to get there, would it be worth it? But you need to understand it could be done much faster than that. Now, let's just say you have a goal and you are determined to make a way for your family. And you go out and you refer, let's say 25 people or more, ladies and gentlemen. What can that do to your potential income? It could explode it. You have to understand that what the potential is for this platform. Can you see it? If you can see the potential here, I want you to type a 7 in the chat box. All right. Now, let's go a little further. So this system, this app has an automated referral system built inside of it, which makes it very easy for you to share this with all of your contacts on social media, inside of your cell phone, by email, by text message. Are you with me? And we have training where we're going to show you how to use that, but you can probably figure it out by yourself because it is very simple. The thing I want you to understand is that each activated personal referral that subscribes, you earn $1 a month. And each of your personal referrals that are referred by those individuals, you earn $1 a month. When you go out and you share this with 10 people who activate their app, you now open up levels 3 and 4, where you earn 50 cents for every activation every single month. So you can do the math, as we showed you a moment ago. With all 4 tiers of people in your referral group with 10 referrals, you have created over $5,600 a month in long-term recurring income. Now, you need to know there are people who have referred hundreds. There's one guy sitting in this seat right here. And there are people who have referred over 1,000 direct to themselves. You can only imagine how much money that they are generating. And it pays out through a website called wise.com, straight to your bank account. You can also order a debit card that they have. You will also earn crypto coins called Instant Coin. When you log into the back office and click on how to use, log into the app, click on how to use, you'll see all the details concerning the crypto coin and everything else. All right. Now, to support you, ladies and gentlemen, we are offering you free training. Maybe you've never done anything like this before, and you don't know how easy this is. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. And to support you, we get together 3 times a week at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and which is 8 a.m. Pacific, for about 1 hour. And we will literally give you a 1, 2, 3 system on what you need to do. If you get the message out consistently, you can't help but to have success, even despite your own doubts about your own ability. All right. And we'll help you with your mindset as well. All right. So here's the steps. 1, 2, 3. Step 1, text. Text people. How many contacts do you have in your phone? Hundreds? Some of you, maybe even thousands. You just send them out a simple text message, ladies and gentlemen. We'll show you how to do it. We'll even give you the wording. Step 2, Post to social media, like the post you see on the screen right there. I signed up 4 people overnight from social media posts. Can you post on social media? Absolutely. We'll explain it to you and we'll teach you the mindset behind it. Step number 3, respond back. When they ask for information, what do you send them? We're going to tell you exactly what to send them. You don't have to figure out anything. Just copy and paste and be consistent. That's how simple and easy it is, ladies and gentlemen. So here's the thing. If you like what you heard, you want to get in contact with the person who invited you on the call. You want to reach out to them as soon as possible. They will walk you through the process and show you to get started. And you will be on your way, ladies and gentlemen, to creating some long-term recurring income for your family that you can depend on, paid every single week, direct to your bank account. That's what we have right here. We are so excited because we know that a lot of lives are going to be changed because this platform is global, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you happen to live in Nigeria, unfortunately, you cannot participate. Nigeria is not able to participate with this platform, but most other countries are open, ladies and gentlemen, and that's extremely exciting.